Hey everybody. I wanted to make a video tonight because I made chocolate chip cookies and I had a couple of tips. I just used um, the generic recipe off the back of a chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip recipe on the back of the. Um, but my first tip is when you make chocolate chip cookies or peanut butter cookies or any cookies, double your recipe. And that way you have cookies for if company comes over or, you know, you want to bake something real quick for something sweet after dinner, then you have a few things to throw in the oven. My second tip is this amazing cookie scoop. It scoops the most perfect cookies. Those are my two tips.